Hello, and welcome to my overview and updates to the Unity Certified User Program here at Certiport. To start off, I would like to give a brief overview of the program and its subject matter. So who is Unity? Unity is the leading content creation platform for VR, AR, real-time, 3D, and mobile 2D. Unity is used by students and professionals around the world to create everything from games to movies, 3D models to VR simulations. Unity has become one of the most sought-after skills in the coding industry. It has one of the highest forecasted growth rates, as shown on Burning Glass. Those professionals who have Unity skills earn over $20,000 more than their peers who don't have the same Unity skills. That difference alone makes it well worth your time to learn Unity and show those skills off with certification. To help people learning and using Unity show those skills, we have created the Unity Certified User Program. The first exam we launched in the Unity Certified User Program was all about programming. It deals around coding within Unity and how to use the Unity engine. It has been very well received in the market and has amazing reviews. Following the success of the programmer exam, we decided to expand the Unity Certified User Program. We are expanding the Unity Certified User Program with 2 new certifications. The first exam is a new certification that covers the art side of the Unity software. This will focus on how art, animation, and interaction in 3D and 2D functions within Unity. This will be a great addition to the program and will fit great into any 3D or 2D development class. The second is a new VR developer specialization that will be part of the programmer pathway. So what is a specialization exam? It is a brand new type of exam that we are introducing here at Certiport. A specialization exam is not a certification by itself, but is an addition to another certification exam. So the new Unity Certified User VR Developer will be a specialization that you can obtain after you have the programmer certification. Specializations will contain a smaller set of objective domains and exam items that are intended to be directed at a more specific area of expertise or job role that is related to, but not addressed in the broader certification exam. A candidate will need to pass the certification exam before they can attempt a specialization exam. The VR developer exam will focus on how to implement VR into your code in order to make virtual reality programs. Our motto here at Certiport is to learn, practice, and then certify. And with following that motto, we have some amazing resources available for students and teachers. Unity has created some amazing video-based learning specifically mapped to the certification. These video lessons are hosted on Gmetrics and easy to access and track your students' progress. There are also some additional learning and teaching resources available at unity3d.com/learn. If none of these are quite what you are looking for, there are a number of books available and other learning through most major learning platforms. We follow this great learning up with some Gmetrics practice tests. For our practice exams, Certiport works with Gmetrics, the official practice test software. The tests help students become familiar with the testing environment, identify areas of remediation, and give students the confidence to take the exam. The practice tests map to the certification exam and contain a printable score report. Students are able to learn through self-paced practice questions offered through both a testing and training mode to improve their learning. And then, of course, you follow the practice tests up with taking the actual certification exam. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to the Unity Certified User Program. If you have more questions or interest in the Unity program, please reach out to your representative at Certiport and they can help answer any questions that you may have. Thanks again for your time and have a great day.